Hi, I'm Shelley Levette with ChildCareLand.com, and today I want to share with you jelly bean sorting and graphing. This is really a fun activity and really develops math skills in young children. You will need to have a cup of jelly beans, and I have these pre-sorted out with different colors and different numbers in the different colors. And I also have just a plastic relish tray that I found from Walmart that has 6 compartments because we have 6 different colors of jelly beans that we're using. But if you don't have a relish tray, certainly could use just 6 clear plastic cups that the children can drop the different colored jelly beans in. And I also have available on my website underneath the video section just a mat with 6 circles on it that the children could place the jelly beans on. I'll show you that in a minute. And so what the children would do is they would take their jelly beans and they would put one color in each tray or each section or each cup or each place on the mat, whatever you're using. And then they would just go and move the jelly beans into the different sections. Like I said, I have these pre-counted out to no more than 10 colors each. So I have maybe like 6 of the orange, 4 of the yellow, so there's different numbers for different colors. And these are pre-sorted into cups. And they would just go through and move them into the different sections that they belong in. I'm just going to cheat and go really fast on this. Oops, look, there's an orange one in there. And so there's also, these are Brock's jelly beans, or they call them jelly bird eggs, but they're jelly beans. And I find that these work best. They're more like the standard size, standard color jelly beans. There were also black and white ones, but I sorted that out because we're only sorting 6. So I've removed the black and the white ones of that. And so we're almost done here. Once you get these sorted, the children are then going to go through and they're going to count how many of each color they have, and they're going to graph that. So I kind of cheated, but children will take longer than I did. And these are also on the website. The first one is a graph. The children would go through. They would go through the different. You will need crayons or something for them to mark on each section. So there's red, green, purple, yellow, orange, pink. How many jelly beans did you have, or do you have in your section? And it goes up to the number 10. So then the children would say, let's start with yellow, or this starts with red. They would count the red jelly beans that they have. So they had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 red jelly beans. So then they would take a crayon. It doesn't really have to be red, but then they would go up, mark up to the 7 on here. And then for the green, they would go ahead and count how many green jelly beans they had. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And they'd go all the way up to 10. And so they would do that for the 6 different colors on here. And the activity could end here, but if you want to extend that activity, there's a second sheet that goes with it where they would have to look on their graph. And the first question is, what colored jelly beans did you have the most of? So they would have to look on their graph once it's filled out and see which one they had the most of. And so for green was the one that we had 10 of, so then they would write green on the line. The second question is, what color jelly beans did you have the least of? So then again, they would look at their completed graph and try to find out which one they had the lower number of, the lowest number of, and then they would write that on the line here. And then for this one is, what is your favorite kind of jelly bean? And then they would write their color that they like on there. Again, these are under the video section on my website. And again, if you did not have a relish tray or something with 6 individual compartments, they could just put it right in on the mat. This works well too. And that's available with the other patterns. So for jelly bean sorting and graphing, I'm Shelley Levette with ChildCareLand.com, and thanks for watching.